Hello friends, we are looking a poem, a red rose. In this poem the poet promises undying love to his beloved. At the same time, poet compares his love to various aspects. The rose that just bloomed, then he go on talking about his beauty. She is as fair as anything else. Then the poet compares his love, or he would promise that he will love thee still, my dear, till a seas gang dry. And now let's move on. Here, till the line goes on in the next lines, look at that. Till a means last time you have seen all. Till all the seas gang dry, my dear, and the rocks melt with the sun. With a healthy, or we could say that the dose of repetition, the speaker tells us again that he will love his beloved until the seas gang dry, and he also tells that he will love her until the rocks melt with the sun. In the line number 10, you have to pretend the word till is at the beginning. The lines are saying till a seas gang dry and till the rocks will melt. So till is just a shortened form of the word until, and wi is a shortened form of the word with. Just in case you guys were wondering, what does he mean by rocks melting with the sun? Does he mean when the rocks melt in the sun, or does he mean melt at the same time as the sea is melting? Like the sea going dry, it is unlikely that rocks are going to melt unless they get thrown into a volcano or a meteor strikes the earth. So the speaker is again emphasizing the fact that he will love her forever, or at least until long after their lives are over. I will love thee still, my dear, while the sands of life shall run. Oh, for crying out loud, we get it duet here. You really dig the gun. Yet again, the speaker pleased that he will love his lass for a really long time, as long as he lives, to be exact. That's where that sands or sands of life shall run comes in. It's an interesting phrase. Don't you think so? It means while I am still alive, this is the meaning of that phrase. So the metaphor here is of an hourglass or some other device that measures time with the sand. You could see in the picture also, this is the measuring instrument so long back for time. The words, however, make us think of the sands of life running out. It means the phrase, I will love thee still, makes us think the speaker wants to say, I will love thee still even after the sands of life shall run out. He doesn't say that, but we can't help thinking it, can we? After all, we are thinking that the sands of his guy's love will probably run out long before the rocks might be melt, and the seas may burn. Form wise, things have gotten a little shake up. We have got a new rhyme scheme on our hands, because In these final two stanzas, not only do the second and fourth lines of each stanza rhyme, but the first and third do too. This pattern is commonly referred to as wait for it, common meter. Okay, so in the next lines, and fare thee will my only love, and fare thee will awhile. Suddenly it's time to say goodbye, or in this case, fare the wheel, WEEL. WEEL does not mean WHEEL, wheel, but it rather an older form of the word well, WEEL, well. Say it aloud, and you will see that it sounds really Scottish. The phrase fare thee will a while means something like farewell for now or farewell for the time being, but it could also mean take care of yourself for now or may you be well. The word fare can be a verb that means do or go. For whatever reason, these two lovebirds are splitting like a banana, but we think they are gonna be just fine at the whole long distance thing. We mean if your love outlasts the sun, what's a few miles? And at the end, and I will come again, my love, though it were 10,000 miles. Okay, now let's just get this out of our system. The speaker says here his final farewell. He tells his love, he promises his love. He will come again. This is the promise. What is the promise? Look at the line. I will come again, my love. This is the promise. Even if he has to walk 10,000 miles, this 10,000 miles means that's a long way. So at last we know he's head over hells. Here is hoping these two crazy kids can make it work. So in this poem we could see in the next lecture the nature and what exactly the love and how these lines would be over there. So till then, thank you very much. So here is the whole poem for your reference. Read it aloud so you will get the rhyming scheme also and comparing the poet's love. And at the end, the poet promises to be with her till his death. Thank you.